Chairman of the National Fire Authority Board, members of the board, media friends, acting CEO, management and staffs of National Fire Authority, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Yesterday morning I was in Lautoka to hand over 4 vacuum cleaner trucks to the municipal councils. And it's fitting that I'm here this morning to hand over the ambulances to the National Fire Authority. I was told that those trucks can also assist in terms of firefighting. And I will urge the officers who are stationed in respective fire stations to work with municipal councils so that you can have a partnership in sharing resources. I have seen the equipment and I'm very confident that it will do the job that you are doing it. Bala and a very good morning to you all. I'm happy to be with you this morning to officiate at this handing over ceremony of the 3 brand new ambulances funded by the Fiji government to enhance the emergency ambulance services delivery by the National Fire Authority. Ladies and gentlemen, the National Fire Authority plays a significant role in our country's fire and emergency management service delivery to our people. And this includes the delivery of emergency ambulance services. Over the last 3 years, states have revealed that the National Fire Authority has responded to 9,611 ambulance calls, which averages to about 3,200 ambulance calls per year, or 266 calls per month. These are unknown facts, and I have asked NFA management to brief me on this, because we need to tell the nation the work that you are involved in. And it is very important for the people of this country to know what you are doing in terms of providing these services. And I can tell you, it's a huge number. And I would like to thank, as your line minister, I want to thank all those who are involved in this area. And I think it would be only proper if we all can put our hands together and thank each one of us for this service that we are providing. There are currently 6 ambulances, and these are located in Missouri, Suva, Walu, Singatoka, Bala and Lambasa. Government is pleased to be an integral part in NFA's emergency ambulance operation. For the first time since 2010, when National Fire Authority took over the emergency ambulance services, government is fully funding the operational expense for NFA's ambulance services with the provision of 1.6 million. We firmly believe that this funding will assist the National Fire Authority in ensuring the effective delivery of paramedical and first aid care during emergency incidents. These 3 brand new ambulance vehicles were purchased from Vision Motors and have been manufactured in China at a total cost of $269,400 VIP. Let me say, for the purpose of media and our friends in social media, that the proper process was followed to purchase these vehicles. There were tender calls, and the best supplier was given the order. The vehicles are also equipped with the basic essential ambulance equipment. These new vehicles will increase the number of ambulances to 9 in total being operated by the National Fire Authority. Our ultimate objective is to equip all our fire stations with an ambulance vehicle for ease of response to the respective communities. These 3 new vehicles will see the expansion of National Fire Authority's emergency ambulance services into the rural areas. I say this especially for the people of Koralevu and Koravo, as I have been advised that 2 of these new ambulances will be stationed at the 2 newly built fire stations in Koralevu and Koravo for the provision of emergency ambulance services to cover their respective corridors. The 3rd ambulance will be in Suva to cater for emergencies and road accident incidents. I am grateful that since we commenced the reforms of National Fire Authority in 2012, there has been a great improvement in terms of NFA's capital development and its response to fire and other emergencies. I am confident that the purchase of these ambulance vehicles will further boost NFA's capacity to respond to fire and emergency incidents. Ladies and gentlemen, as Minister responsible for the National Fire Authority, I am pleased with the changes that we have witnessed taking place in the National Fire Authority so far. The recent implementation of the performance management system, setting individual targets for each firefighter and each station for the performance. I urge the board, management and employees of National Fire Authority to lift your standards and performance and strive for excellence so that all emergency services provided by the National Fire Authority will always meet the expectation of all stakeholders. Gratitude for the life that you save during the course of ambulance duty can never be expressed by mere words, but the satisfaction that you get as the service provider will have an everlasting effect. It is therefore very important for the government and the National Fire Authority to ensure that the National Fire Authority is well equipped to enable its people to deliver such emergency services to the nation. And that's why before the budget, when consultation takes place with the Ministry of Economy and when we propose our requests for funding in these areas, government has always accommodated. And I know that government will continue to accommodate in these areas in terms of funding, because this is the area where people matters. As we await to welcome 2018 in few days' time, I will take this opportunity to wish you all a very joyous and a fire-safe New Year. With these few words, and on behalf of the government, I now have much pleasure in handing over the keys for these 3 new ambulances to the National Fire Authority. Thank you and Binaka.